Good afternoon and welcome to today's video. Alrighty guys, so the other day when I got back I actually bought some of these Craftsman little compressors for myself and my boss. So we can't get them in Australia. Craftsman is a US brand, which we obviously can't get, hence being in Australia. But we've got these battery chargers, and right here, if you read right here, it actually says that they can only do 120 volt. In Australia we use 240, so it kind of made it like fire in the shop. Anyway, so to fix that, got a big converter. This thing is heavy. Australian company. It's always a thumbs up. So what this thing should do, should convert Australian power down to the US power. So it's got like all the pluggy. For once I probably should read the instructions so I don't die. Power can kill you, I guess. It's not instructions, it's just how to repair the fuse. Here we go, moment of truth. Let's hope this doesn't go like last time. Green, flashing, charging. We're good. Alrighty, everything's gonna be alright. It's not blowing up yet. We're well ahead of you last time. Yeah. Now it's time to give this thing a bit of a clean off. Alrighty, and that's going to be it for today's video. I've got some editing to get done and also a whole heap of jobs, so I'll see you guys next time.